Hi, my name's Elaine Duff, and I am here with Bird Dog Whiskey at Post Oak Barbecue here in Denver, Colorado. So excited to be here. Excited to be here with Ansel, who's an amazing bartender, making me some delicious cocktails. So, Ansel, what are you gonna be making now?
We call this one the Apple Orchard Old Fashioned. So what you're going to start with is the Bird Dog apple flavored whiskey. We're going to do about 2 ounces of that.
Apples and whiskey sounds like a good, that is like something synonymous, like with fall, whiskey, apples.
Exactly. It's coming up on that time of year where people just want to nuzzle up under a blanket on the couch, and no way to do that better than with some apple whiskey. So
Exactly. Some Bird Dog apple whiskey
Exactly.
underneath the blanket in a fireplace. Sounds good to me.
Cool. So we start out with 2 ounces of that. We're going to add a pretty good amount of bitters today. Just to get that flavor kind of well-rounded, get some of those
And the
herbal
bitters have in
notes.
there some clove and anise, which
Exactly.
works really well with apples. So I think that's a really great combination.
Like you said, the apple kind of already has some sweet notes to it. So you're just going to give this a nice, easy stir.
And that's just to dilute it.
Exactly.
To chill
Get some
it down.
of the whiskey to kind of water down, so you're not just taking a big gulp of.
Right, because
high
water is
proof
actually part of a
syrup there.
cocktail, right? It's actually, you don't want to just drink it neat.
I mean, that's why you shake, right?
That's why you shake, that's why you stir.
A couple big cubes there, just to kind of give this a nice.
And those are great, because everybody can have those in their house, right? You can have
Exactly.
those simple
These just
cocktails, little
put
ice
'em
cube
in the
trays.
freezer.
I know I do. I have an entire freezer full of really nice ice.
Myself included. Cool. Then we're going to top that. After that, you're just going to peel a nice orange wedge on there.
Ooh, fancy.
Orange slice, I should say.
And everybody has a peel at home, so it's something that's really easy to do.
I always like to express the oils into the drink as well. just
Okay,
to
so
kinda
which
get-
side do you put down when you're doing it over
You
the
always want to
glass?
get the oil side down, so
Okay.
the skin side facing down, because when you squeeze it, it'll actually express some of those oils into the glass. And I like to rub the rim a little bit so you get some of that on the mouth as well. And then simply just add a little cherry as well.
The traditional garnish.
Of
And I love the
course.
fact that, because it's so simple, and back in the day people used to muddle the orange, used to muddle the cherry, but you don't need to do that
Called an
anymore.
old fashioned for a reason.
It's called an old fashioned for it. It's really, really simple. Such a delicious drink. So this is just the Bird Dog Apple Orchard Old Fashioned.
Absolutely.
It smells really nice. Those orange notes are really popping off the drink. Oh yeah. Like the anise and the clove from the bitters with the apple is such a delicious combination. You're right, it didn't need sugar, which is so nice, so it makes it even simpler. So for more simple recipes like this, just head to birddogwhiskey.com and you can get this recipe and so many more.